Audrey, please don't die. Please, I need you. Don't die. Oh,
You know, Claire just said the funniest thing just now. It said that Orrin and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
it's true. I fed him to it.
So that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous?
I've done terrible things, Audrey. But not to you, never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
I do. It's the one gift I can give you. If I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me bud and bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy now, contented and serene. Oh, don't you see?